man. What a ball that is. See that choke pass there. See that choke. What a kill keeper boy. Big ball. Alright, you see that.